You work hard, the bills get paid, and somehow there's nothing left for you at the end of the month. Does this sound familiar to you? If you wait to save what's left over, there will never be anything left. That's why one of the most powerful habits you can build is this. Pay yourself first, no matter your income. Now you might be wondering, what does this actually mean? Paying yourself first means putting a portion of your income aside before you do anything else with it. Before the rent, before the groceries, before the online sales and late night takeout. It's your way of saying, my future matters as much as my present. And the best part? It doesn't have to be a lot. It just has to be automatic and consistent. You don't need to start with hundreds. If all you can set aside is $10 a week, that's okay. What matters is building the habit first. Here's how to get started. Pick a percentage or fixed amount, even if it is a small amount of your income. Next, open a separate savings account, something harder to touch, and then set up an automatic transfer. Every payday, no excuses. Make it invisible, make it boring, make it non-negotiable. You'll be shocked at how quickly it adds up and how easy it becomes once it's automatic. Paying yourself doesn't always mean savings alone. Paying yourself also means paying future you. This can mean building your emergency fund or paying into your future investment account. Maybe it means a travel sinking fund or even a debt repayment plan that saves you interest. The goal isn't just to save, it's to shift your identity. You're no longer someone who hopes money will be left at the end of the month. You're someone who builds wealth by default. It's easy to get discouraged when the results feel small. But here's what most people miss. Saving isn't just about the money. It's about who you're becoming. Every time you pay yourself first, you're reinforcing your priorities. You are taking control of your financial direction and proving to yourself that you can follow through. Those $10 deposits? They aren't just dollars. They're evidence that your mindset is changing. And when your habits change, your entire financial future starts to shift, even if your income stays the same. The fewer decisions you have to make, the more consistent you'll be. That's why automation is your secret weapon. Try this. Set the transfer to happen the same day you get paid. Label your savings account something motivating like Freedom Fund. Use a banking app that hides your balance so you're not tempted to dip into it. This isn't about discipline, it's about designing your system to win. The pathway to financial freedom doesn't begin when you make six figures, it begins the moment you prioritize yourself. So, no matter what your paycheck looks like right now, start small. Start now. And make one simple promise. Pay yourself first. Once you know what to do when you get paid, you need to work on getting that number higher. But how can you do that without quitting your job? This video here will share those secrets with you. If you are watching this video shortly after it was released, your next video will be available in 3 days.